We'll give you one last look at driving conditions on this Friday afternoon. This is at 2 p.m. Right on the bypass road on Highway 2, just on the west side of Crookston. Head out on the road here. It's slow going. 2 p.m. here. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Again, we remain in a blizzard warning. Best to stay off the roads. And here's video coming in from an iNewZ viewer southbound on I-29 by Hillsboro. As you can see, it's basically one lane, the other lane covered in snow, blowing snow. Let's take a look at the DOT road map showing I-29 from Canada down to South Dakota. No travel advised. Same thing down on I-94, which is now reopened across North Dakota. But again, no travel advised from Fargo out to Bismarck. So it's a good afternoon, good evening to stay home. The Weather Service says we're still in that blizzard warning until 6 p.m. on this Friday. Tonight, calling for patchy blowing snow before midnight. Wind chill values as low as 36 below. Northwest winds 17 to 22. Gusts as high as 31 miles per hour. Dropping down a little bit from where we're at right now. And for Saturday, high near -3. Northwest winds 15 to 17. Gusts as high as 29. So still not great, but travel conditions look to be a little bit better on Saturday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.